Hey guys, so I wanted to show you this new grafting set that I got. So if you're, getting ready for spring planting, trying to graft your citrus trees, some of your plants, things like that, you always want to have a good grafting kit on hand. So this one's really great. I love that it comes in its own little pouch, and it actually comes with a lot of stuff. So you've got your grafting little gun here. You've got your tapes, several different tapes, really good. Labels, okay, lots of different ones here. Lots of bands, different color and different length of your rubber bands, and a pocket knife. Like this has got your different, to cut and do your slits and everything else on the branches. So this is really great. And then everything fits right inside here. So this actually, it's got a little silhouette here so you can put it right in. It's not going to fall around. Let me show you that here. There you go. Okay. And so, yeah, if you're, needing a grafting kit that has everything instead of having to buy everything separately to get ready for the spring garden season, definitely one you want to check out.